Mm. Run away. Actually, I don't know. Hey, yo, what's up, Cave Trader? I should have known. I mean, I should have. You know what, K Trader? I'm actually waiting for that shoe to drop as well. But the Bears have been sucking, so I mean, it's not going to be a surprise that even though we're going to see a lot of people sell out of their long positions, that the market is going to continue to go higher. It's not going to be a surprise to me. Or if the market doesn't go higher, it's going to chop. Now, I do think that we'll probably get a pullback. I will probably see like a pullback, but um, a move that breaks structure to the downside that will signal the start of a new downward trend, I doubt that that would happen. I seriously would doubt that. Seriously would doubt. And you know what? I think that's something that we can start doing on the Friday streams is actually just going back and looking at the CFTC data because this week we got we saw the 59% bullish and the 42% short this week. Yet again, the CFTC data guided us in the correct direction. Oops, definitely in the right direction. And this right here should be considered the guiding light. Oh, why the heck is everything being laggy right now? There you go. It was 58% long and 42% short. this week. So we'll see. Maybe next week, if we see the market more bullish than bearish, we could possibly see that drop. But until I see that in the data, well, I do think that we can probably get a pullback back to 555, 535, but that'll probably be it. There's definitely going to be buyers in this area right here. It's highly likely to be buyers in this area because we have price breaking structure to the upside, and the bulls are going to definitely attempt to buy the pullback here. So this range right here, we can definitely see, or we can definitely expect for market participants to have passive buy orders in this area. So if we do see a dip, this is probably how as far as we go. I'll be surprised if we actually see a big drop. But if we do see it, we'll definitely I'm not I'm not going to be so married to my bias that if I'm being presented with new information that I won't change it. I mean, if it breaks structure, then I'll shift my focus to being bearish. I'll shift my focus to being bearish.
Um,
Hey, what's up, bro?
that's fine.
I guess when it comes to the Nasdaq, this is like the only thing to watch for real. Oh shit, my bad, guys. My bad.
Yo,
Yeah, what's up?
thank
Can you hear me? Looks like Smith is getting hit with the
please.
OBS curse. You don't
Damn it, I
turn it
can't
off for
hear
a
you.
while.
Hold on, I gotta fix my settings.
Yeah, you see how that works? I'm pretty sure he didn't touch not one thing, and the whole setup changed. Huh. Mm. Hey, what's up, Alfred? Uh,
Okay. Can you hear me?
can you hear me now? I can hear you. Can you hear it? Can you hear me?
Can't hear you still. Uh,
Now, this thing goes back to my original entry. I'll feel some type of way about that.
All right, I hear you now, I think.
You think you can hear me?
Yeah, I hear you now.
that
Damn it.
That late night.
Damn it. Damn it. I knew that was a fake out. I knew they weren't going to drop it right there.
I mean, come on, man. Come on. Come on. You know, you should know that one by now. You know the Bears suck. I mean, when in doubt, the Bears suck. I mean, that's all you got to remind yourself of. That looks like a short. But the Bears suck. Okay, you're right.
When in doubt, the Bears suck. That's funny.
You know they're not going to do anything of significance. Were you able to capitalize on this move earlier today?
You know what? I
Don't
was
tell me that
up.
mistakes were made, but go ahead, man.
Small mistakes were made. I mean, I was trying to trade and I was tired and everything, but like I was up like almost 200. I almost made basically half what I lost. But then I ended up falling asleep. Thank goodness I set a stop. It could have, because it could have got real ugly. But I was hoping, so it did drop last night, but it didn't drop as far as I was hoping it would, or thinking that it would. It missed it by like just a few. Because I looked back and I saw it, the low was 655. And I was like, damn, it missed me by like 9 points, 8 or 9 points.
Damn.
Yeah.
When in doubt, the Bears suck. Don't ever take the short, wait for the long. Yeah, I had that happen to me yesterday.
Good words to live by, because the Bears do suck.
Yeah, they do. Once strong and noble warriors, now reduced to the shell of their former selves. You don't even see Bear. You don't even see the Bear Doomsday traders on Twitter anymore. At least I don't see them.
Yeah. They're in hibernation right now. They'll be back when something crazy happens.
You know, when I think about
I
that,
told you.
It reminds me of this guy on what is his name? Is Panda? I wonder what happened to him. Is Panda still active on Twitter or X? He was
I don't know.
one of the biggest bears. I mean, of course, his name is Panda. Super bear. He found every excuse to short the market.
Not a super bear. You in anything?
Yeah, I'm in this aggressive long that I'm probably going to get stopped out on.
Yeah. How aggressive we talking?
I'm talking. I got in at 769. That's how aggressive my long entry is right now. It's pretty aggressive. I think this thing is going to come back to my original entry. But I thought, the Nasdaq is really good at doing this. Yeah, I don't see the guy on, I don't see him on X anymore. Probably lost all his money building houses and shit. And he was one of the guys that was short the super bottom, the bottom. So if he never closed his position out, yeah, he's done.
short the bottom. Golly.
Yeah, Alfred, that could be close to reality because we're talking about the bottom when when Biden was when the elections was coming up. He was short SPY when SPY hit all the way down to when it hit 350. He was shorting it then and adding to his shorts and encouraging his followers to do the same. We all know that the market never went back down once it touched that low. We know that. So if I know a stubborn bear, I know that he's probably on the street panhandling for his margin calls.
Yeah, panhandling.
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah, I don't see him on Twitter anymore.
Where we targeting? The sky? Sky's the limit?
The angels do rag, as Gain Weight likes to say. Well, Gain Weight, I ain't gonna tell you how to trade your account, but we can probably get to 850, man, before we see price reverse. But that's just my opinion. Gain was probably like, "Oh, the market maker has spoken. Let me get out of my short then." But Gain Weight, why are you short with no stops? Why?
ES has spoken. Her hourly candle has spoken. We're going up.
Looks like the Nasdaq has shown thy mercy. She must have realized that this is not one of my accounts, and so she showed me mercy. Like, she literally stopped at my. She probably thought that was a target. That's probably why she did the shit. Sometimes the Nasdaq can be so nasty. She was like, you know what? I'd rather be safe than sorry. That could have been his target. Let me just miss it by a couple of ticks and then shoot right back up. There we go, baby.
Oh,
there we go, baby. There we go, baby. Here we go. Yeah, no, I would have been mad about that.
Bro, as soon as I put my stop, that thing just took off. I'm so glad it didn't go the opposite direction.
A little bit late, but
what the F was that? Let's go.
Hey, we're not going to complain about it, Gang. I told you.
We not. We not. I'm just curious. And Q, I'm just curious. I just like to know why you move the way you move.
Because she thought she hit my target. She thought she missed my target. She was like, "Oh shit, that was a stop." Yo,
like, oh, we got him. We got him.
Yo, but just imagine if he was short that it misses you and then it completely stops you out, dude. That's crazy.
Like, what? We didn't get him?
We got him.
All right, bet. I bet.
We're going in for a second strike. Shoot, let's see what happened, because it's obvious. This is a news candle right here. That's obvious.
Yeah, man. That's what I'm saying. Like, what we got today.
Well, the only thing we got is quad witching, but that's the entire. I think we'll probably see the effects after 12 o'clock when the options start to expire, and they have to start closing out of their long positions. All right, so apparently,
my bad. I'm just a little excited.
All right, give me a second.
Come on, hit the top of the range, NQ.
All right. So apparently Google on the decision regarding advertising. We disagree with the court's initial decision and will appeal it. U.S. DOJ proposed changes to advertising technology go far beyond the court's liability decision. So this is Google.
Google McDougal news. Didn't they just cross $1 trillion company market cap?
I think so. Or that might have been Microsoft. Maybe. Actually, I don't
Or
know.
was it not trillion?
Billion.
3 trillion, I think. Because I think it was like, I know Nvidia hit that. Hold on. Let me look it up. I'm just talking. Apple hit it. Let's go, baby! First TP hit.
First TP hit, baby. I just got mine hit too. That's what we're talking about, baby. I mean, but gain weight. Like I said, I think we probably get. So I'm looking at a potential range between 835, 855, but then it could go to 870 because that's a measured move. Well, if they come back and buy the orb breakout, we up for it. I mean, if it pulls back,
I'm probably gonna add in if it pulls back to the orb breakout.
Yeah, me too. I'm gonna add into it on 87.75. Now, if it keeps going up, I mean, it really depends on the rejection that we see. We got the breakout. Hold on, what the hell just happened? Did y'all guys see that? What?
No, what happened?
What happened?
What happened?
I think Apex is trying to attack me. My limit just got filled. Y'all see that, right? Y'all saw that.
Apex. Oh, you are in. What happened?
Dude, I don't know. It filled the order. I'm on Apex hit list now. I'm on their hit list, guys.
So make sure you keep your stops good then.
Yeah. Dude, I got my order filled and it didn't even touch the price. Well, I'm not going to complain about it if it works, but go ahead.
Have you seen the show Silicon Valley?
No, I haven't. Tell me about it.
Oh my, you gotta watch that. You gotta watch it.
Silicon Valley.
There's this. I was about to say, I just hit the 4-figure club again in the account, but there's this billionaire that he's a billionaire venture capitalist that they meet up because they're desperate for funding, and he's like, I think I told you this before. He was like, man, I was in the three. He's like, he was all depressed and sad. He's like, I'm not in the 3 comma club anymore. He's like, I might as well be like you. I might as well be you, because they were poor tech startup dudes trying to launch their company. Oh my goodness! And he only lost, like, he made an investment. He only lost, like, I think maybe a couple 100,000 or something that took him out from being a billionaire. But he was like super depressed.
I'm not a billionaire no more.
It's so funny. Okay.
Oh, congratulations to being in the 4-figure club. Smith loses $2. I'm not in the 4-figure club anymore.
It's like, oh, we're back. I'm in the 4-figure club again.
Do you have 4 figures? No.
No, I'm back to 3 figures.
Hmm. Hmm. I believe in you, NQ. You can do it. I mean, I'm not going to complain, but that was a weird fill. That was super weird. What the hell was it? Like, what was that? That was a super weird fill. Unless,
Apex, they out to get you.
dude, price was literally at 816 and I got filled at uh 87. I got my limit filled at 87 when price was still at 16. So that was weird. If I was in a funded account, you know, that would kind of concern me. But
We just touched orb high. Let's see how aggressive they want to be with this.
oh shit. Oh, okay. All right. So my data? I think my data's delayed because it's not showing the same price as Okay, so that's probably what happened. My data's delayed. I wonder why. Apex. Wow.
Yeah, you trade on delayed data is crazy. What price you got?
Right now, price is currently at 794 on my charts, and I'm looking at book mapping, and that is not the current price.
Yeah.
All right. I guess the Apex said, "Let the games begin." Let it begin.
Play chart roulette.
Let the games begin.
Let the games begin. You want to play a game? Because it's at like 780, 788. Trying to go back up. I don't know. I want to wait till they're done with their selling. A real one would have added in at the orb high.
Dude, I mean that's where my limit was, but we'll see. I mean, like I said, when in doubt, the Bears suck. I mean, we know this. When in doubt,
Dang,
Bears
Alfred.
suck.
I didn't. I confess, I did not add in.
You're just saying that because you're scared.
I do have a limit, but I got my limit just a few points. But I don't know. I want to see what happens at the 9 EMA.
Hmm. I mean, I feel like I don't have unnecessary processes running.
Is it them or is it your system?
I'm gonna blame it on them because I'm trading on their connection.
I'm gonna blame it on them.
I'm blaming it on them. It's their connection.
Yeah. Price is like, what to do.
And it's still loading too. Wow. I haven't had this problem with Apex in a while. It's interesting now that it's come back. Because remember, like last year, I was having this issue with Apex when the data would just randomly stop being accurate, and I had to connect to another connection to get real
Maybe you
time
should
data.
try. Maybe you should try the superior product. Maybe that might help.
I am on the superior product.
Trade of A. Actually, I'm not even using. I'm using TradingView right now. I've gotten so used to using it from having to do this at work. So
Mm.
I'm like, I'll just stick with it.
I've rarely had a complaint with TradingView. It's actually what I prefer to trade, actually.
Yeah, I mean, I do like seeing my Trade of 8 charts since I can look at the ticks and everything, but that's where TradingView is lacking at.
Yeah, the TradingView doesn't have the tick charts unless you pay for it, right?
I think they have, and then they only have like up to a certain. I think doesn't it only go up to 1,000 ticks?
Yeah, something crazy like that, which is kind of stupid in my opinion. How you gonna make us pay for our data and you don't even provide it properly? Like, what's up with that?
Yeah, man. Oh, what to do? What to do? What to do? Damn it! I should have added.
You know how that shit go, man. You know how it goes.
I mean, yeah, I'm still in 1, but 2 is better.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You know how it goes.
Yeah, because if I would, yeah, say I would have added, then the price would have just freaking dumped.
Mm.
That's normally how I go.
I know what you're thinking though. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking that you should get in now.
It may have crossed my mind, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Not on duty. Not on duty. Let's see. Tres comas. Yeah, you gotta watch that show. That shit's hilarious. Yo, what's up with crypto now, man? I can't stand the crypto market.
You still in that? Dude. I'm surprised. You bought Ethereum. Shit. I would have. Well, I mean, aren't you able to purchase like a fraction of Bitcoin? I mean, even though it's not a full coin, you can just buy a fraction of it.
I mean, yeah, you can. You could pay whatever. You can buy whatever you can afford, but I'm saying getting to 120K, how long would that take? And then if it keeps going up, you just chasing, you in a losing race.
I mean, if you buy it low and it keeps going up, hey.
I guess, I mean, some people got these wild predictions that it'll be like 500K, $1 million. And then in that sense, yes, this would still be low. But nobody knows.
The Simpsons know.
The Simpsons, they talk about Bitcoin on The Simpsons.
Somebody made y'all guys. Anyway, I saw this video and the Simpsons had Bitcoin at trading at the infinity symbol. So
wouldn't that be something?
I know, right? But yeah, Alfred, yo, Gain weight. That's what I was like. I don't know, man. You shorting. I don't know, man. We're in a positive environment. It's too positive for shorts to be successful here. Well, actually, you know what? Gain weight. My bad. Gain weight. Well, he probably won't say it because. But why short it now? What signal or what indication are you using or indicator that you're using that signaled the short here? Because we are definitely in a positive gamma environment. And thanks for reminding me, Alfred, because like I said, I buy this damn software and then I forget about it. And then I stop using it. And this is why I always cancel. And then we do have a lot of we do got a lot of dark pools at these highs. I mean, with how crazy the market has been, this could be institutions wanting to get out at this level right here. But at the same time, it could also be them buying at these highs, targeting 600 on the Qs. So I guess we'll see. I know that the bears are going to keep trying, but I wouldn't feel comfortable in a short, not until they break structure down to the downside. Yeah, I know better now. I know not to take no shorts. I don't need to be that stressed out in life. I can have a soft trading life.
That's funny.
Yeah, that's true. That's true, gain weight. If I was trading my own money, I would definitely be a different trader. I probably would have gave up a long time ago. Nah, that's not even me. That's not me. I'm playing. No, but I would have done the same thing that I did when I was trading options. I would have just allotted $500 every paycheck. But I just allotted $500 to invest in the market. And if I lost the $500, well, I had to accept that I had to wait until the next paycheck to get my $500 back and try again. Make sure y'all get up on my trend line course. Oh yeah, dude. Yo. Yeah, so apparently, Smith, we don't need to be traders. We just need to be great marketers. Apparently.
Why you say that?
So our girl Tori Trades, she's selling a trendline course for, guess how much she's selling it for? And actually, apparently, it's more expensive than what she's selling it for now because it's only a one-time offer. That's how much she's selling her trendline course for.
$500.
Higher.
No, hell no. Not for no trendline course.
A
What?
trendline course.
Hell
Higher.
no. Higher. More. 1,000?
Yes.
Ain't no way. Ain't no way. I am not.
Actually, you're right. It is no way. You're right. $997 if to be exact. We need to be marketers, bro.
Crazy.
A trendline course.
My thing is, you don't need to do that if you're so good at trading. Well, at that point, you just getting greedy. Save $3. Oh shoot!
And shit, I hear I show everybody how to use trend lines correctly, and it's absolutely free. Apparently, I should be selling this secret for $1,000.
Don't miss out. Hurry before the sale ends. $1,000 for a trend line course? Bro, just follow the candles. Just draw a line. What?
Just for $1,000, you can join our exclusive group, and I can show you the trend line secrets that millions have kept secret from you. And now you can learn the same secret that professional traders are using in their day-to-day trading sessions for only $997.
Only?
Shit, I could sell it for $5. Y'all lucky that I'm selling for $999. Shit. I could have sold it for $5.
Wow.
Yeah, that shit is crazy, man. These rules now are this. It's not just her; it's all of them. Sometimes I just kind of I'm pretty sure everybody's familiar with what is his name? Amim or Imnan or that guy that exposed. Yeah, him.
Yeah.
I watch his videos sometimes, and it's like, dude, these. I mean, I guess you can't really hate them if people are going to buy it. I mean, they wouldn't do it if people didn't buy it. So I mean, but what got me was one of the guys that was actually they're copy and pasting each other's courses and selling it with different names and colors. And different names for the same thing.
Yeah, man. That's crazy. Cold world out there.
They say that people love the illusion more than they love the truth. As long as you're telling them that you're lying to them and they accept it, well, they give you permission to lie to them, so you can lie to them as much as you want.
Yeah, they like that Fry meme. Shut up and take my money.
Well, we'll see, man. This is what I do see, though. This is what I do see. I do think that we'll probably get one last hoorah. I do think that eventually we should see probably like 835, 855-ish. We could see a pullback. Who knows? But if the Bulls are taking profits at these highs and we do see a pullback, I think it will just be that, a pullback, not a reversal. I mean, how else are you going to generate the liquidity if the bears don't start aggressively selling this thing?
That is true.
You just got a trend line break. At least that's how they usually rope in the bears, when they break the trend line. So let's see what happens here. Day trader and gain weight are on the same page right now. It said the selling has started. Why are people aggressively buying? Well, the only reason that I would come up with gain weight is FOMO. Missing a Nasdaq move. It feels like someone literally just punches you in the gut 10 times at the same time. That's how it feels like.
That's true. I can confirm.
Ah, okay. Well, Nasdaq. He says everybody gets one, I guess. Everybody gets one. Is the Nasdaq going to give me? Gold. No, gold. No, no. Well, why? No, no. Gold missed my short limit by a point. Well, and then gain weight. I mean, I would kind of be a buyer. This is a 600,000 tick chart, and the market is clearly in an uptrend. I mean, I don't know. I guess if I'm going to sell this, I would need to see more follow through from the bears if I'm going to sell it. If price breaks below if price breaks below 630, then I will adjust my bias to being bearish. If the bears can break and hold underneath 735, I will adjust. I mean, we've seen crazier gain weight. We've definitely seen crazier. When the bulls are trying to complete a market objective, we've literally seen the bulls literally do this, where they're trending on the bottom of the trend line because the bears are trying to short it and the bulls are buying it up. And we literally seen this like what, about 2 weeks ago? Yeah. FOMO buyers. Yeah. But the thing with bookmap indicator is telling me to stay long. You feel proud of yourself, NQ? You feel proud about that? You feel proud about that? All right, so we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. We have a range and we kind of have a break from that range. So we'll see what happens here. Let's see if the Bulls or the Bears are going to hold or if they're going to fold as per usual. We'll see. You say you close your short on gold? I'm going to keep my short limit right there. Dang, I wonder how I missed this. Well, I mean, I wonder because, but 97. Well, it didn't even touch 10 points. It wasn't even a 10-point drop. So, all right. So let's see if we can get a strong close back above the OR pie. You get a strong close. I'll try to wait for a pullback and try to get back in long. I guess the Nasdaq just needed to stop me out. She missed me the first time. She wasn't going to give me a second time, apparently. Man, I wonder why, because I feel like I'm not even pulling a lot of data. Yeah, I mean, I'm not pulling a lot of data, so I mean, of course. That's some nasty work, Nasdaq. Nasty work. But we're backing it long. We're backing it long. And how you doing over there, Smith?
I missed the long entry. Missed the long entry. Now I gotta wait.
I mean, this is an aggressive entry at this high, but depending on what your first target is, it is an aggressive entry though. But we're at that trend line. It does look like the bulls are going to push past it. I mean, unless they super reject it here. If I was in a live account taking this trade, I would probably have, I mean, right now, this is a 22-point stop. I would have kept my stop, but I probably would have had one contract here. One contract at these highs. OPEC's ranging has begun. Yeah. Remember, as we get closer to lunchtime, we should see the market roll over. But I wouldn't trade after lunch because obviously the market is going to do what it wants. But that's when we're going to probably see a lot of positions start to close as options begin to rapidly expire. Well, this is a tough spot for both sides of the market right now. It's definitely a tough spot. But whenever I'm in doubt, I just remind myself that the bears suck. So I'm going to stay long here until the bears prove to me that they actually won it. But because we're so late in the day, I mean, unless they do something towards the end of the day, I mean, I guess it is likely, I guess, but just as Alfred says, I don't think it's going to expand too far from this range right here. We might get like one expansion, but that's probably going to be it. I mean, I don't necessarily need to have it open, you know? Oof. Yeah, I just prefer not to look at it. Just prefer not to. It's just easier that way. It's just less emotions to process. I just don't care to process it at the moment. I'm in this short on gold. I'm in this short right now on gold.
How's that going?
Right now I'm up about 26 ticks, just about, give or take. Give or take. Let's see if we can get an easy target fill. Mm, mm. All right. All right. So it looks like everything is just moving like they're senior citizens today. Mm. Hey Smith, what does your gut tell you to do right now?
That's what I'm trying to ask myself because I'm looking at it and I'm like, but the way I'm looking at NQ looks like it could still go up. But then I'm looking at ES and I'm like, she gonna drag NQ wherever. If she's gonna go down, she's gonna drag NQ down. So I really don't know.
Mm. So you feel that in your gut, you feel that the market can go down, right?
Yeah, with the help of ES. But then there's a whole bunch of different scenarios I can see. Like, does NQ want to grab VWAP? And then will it bounce there at VWAP? Or is it going to try to go down to midnight price? Usually, midnight's price is like a magnet. But there's kind of this trend line that I see, at least on the 5-minute. And it hasn't broken that to the downside yet. So
The market has not. Well, technically, it has broken the trend line, came back up. I mean, this is usually a sell pattern for the Nasdaq, or not even just for the Nasdaq, for any instrument. You never short that first trend line break. You always wait for the retest, and that's where you put that short right there. But it's just a lack of follow through from the bears that kind of just like, you know what, man? I don't know. I don't like the lack of follow through there.
yeah.
I mean, it can stop me out, of course, but
And then I'm looking on the 15-minute. It hasn't broken its uptrend on the 15-minute yet either. So
let's actually look at the option data real quick. I mean, I'm probably gonna get stopped out of this, but yeah, okay, yeah. I mean, we did have that order block right there, and it looks like they're selling from it. Probably was using that gamma level at 600 as bait. I mean, we are seeing some puts getting swept in the queues right now. Oh my god. Oh. Look at CL just sucking. CL sucking. All right. Hmm. Well, all right, gain weight. All time frames are bearish right now. I don't know if y'all guys can see that. Yeah, y'all guys can't see that. So all time frames are bearish right now. Mm. It really goes to show that less is more. Okay. Yes, the Nasdaq is going to hit my target at 752.75. She's going to hit my target. She's going to make me rich. Oh, please, the Nasdaq, please hit my target at 752.75. Please, just hit it. Don't push back up. No, Nasdaq, please don't bounce, please. Bitch.
Oh shoot.
Mm, mm. Let me see if my baby gold is doing me. Mm. I mean, I get what you're saying, gang weight. I mean, I'm not saying that you're wrong. I'm just saying that this is the Nasdaq and bears suck. I mean, oh my god, look at the ES. Oh my god. I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just saying that the bears suck. They can't hold nothing. At least not in the equity markets. I mean, everywhere else, the bears are, especially Bitcoin. They reign supreme, but well,
exhaustion, a little bit of exhaustion coming in. So as you see now, it's starting to print green and starting to flip around. So when I'm saying the flip of the deltas, this is pretty much what I'm talking about.
mm. Now if they break past if they break this, and then I will try for the short. I'll flip short. Because this area right here, I look on the higher time frame and show y'all guys what I'm looking at. You can see that the market has been using this little area as support and resistance for the last couple of days. So if they break this, then okay, I'll flip short. But if they don't, y'all guys can see, you see how they was using this area as support. They broke it. They used it as resistance. They broke above it, used it as support, broke structure, and now they're pulling back. If they break this, and then okay, I'll go for the shorts. But until the Bears prove it to me, I'm not going to trust them. I'm just not going to trust them at all. There goes that push, I guess. Yep, that's exactly right. Oh shit. I mean, why not? When the price action gets slow and depressing like this, you need some of that smooth jazz to listen to, right? Smooth jazz. And then we got Smith's late night radio voice.
Hello, ladies.
Hello, ladies.
Welcome back to the show.
Ah, man. Whatever. The Nasdaq. Green eggs and ham. Oh, there it was right there. On tonight's show, ladies, we have a special guest, our boy Smith. Smith, hit him with that love language. No, no, no. Oh, man.
Hey, yo, what was that? What was that?
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna FOMO. I'm gonna FOMO. I'm a FOMO. I'm FOMOing. I'm FOMOing. I'm a FOMO. I ain't gonna lie, this one is pretty smooth. This one's smooth. You said silver is breaking out? Ah, shit, is it breaking out to the up or down side? Damn. Well, I guess I should have been long gold and short goddamn the Nasdaq. Damn. Wow.
Sitting at the top, nightmares at the bottom. Boom, 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 boom. Dum, 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 dum.
I mean, shit, K Trader, if you said it, that would have been a great long. No, this one is smooth as yo. What the hell? This one is smooth. All right, so I'm just on the wrong side of the market today, huh? Oh shit, you know what? I gotta let me see if they'll let me add. Ah crap. See if I can kind of get a better price. Well, this is definitely tough. This is definitely tough, man. This is definitely tough.
Yeah, I think I might call it today because just take my L. Wait till next week.
Yeah, that's probably the best because I will say that it's definitely yeah, I don't know, man.
Yeah. We basically double topped pretty much because the previous high was 815 and then we just hit 816 and then got the drop. Now they want to come in at 10 o'clock. I see.
All right, I mean, we'll see. We'll see if this is a real push or if this is just cautious bears getting stopped by having tight stops, which, I mean, they should. They suck. I learned the hard way yesterday. If you don't take profits when you see profits going short, well, those profits will definitely evaporate really quick. I mean, it is liable to go all the way up there to 727. I think so. If we do see a recovery here, I think 835, 855 will be that range. If we don't see that today, I wouldn't be surprised seeing a rejection from that area tomorrow. I'm not tomorrow. Sunday open. Yeah, I definitely agree with that game win. Get the hell out of the way. All right, well, I guess the Nasdaq got me again. All right, Nasdaq.
Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. I'm just gonna get off and enjoy the rest of the weekend.
Yeah. All right, bro.
Because this is too slow. And yeah.
Yeah. Nasdaq is being real nasty today, man. I guess the Bears got it, I guess. I guess they got it. I guess.
Yeah. Alright. Y'all have a good one.
All right, man.
Peace.
Peace. How you doing? Yeah, sorry to see that, man. Well, good thing I'm trading smaller size because I definitely would have blown this account today too. Of course. This account would have been gone. I had, what, 3 losses back to back? 3 losses back to back. Oh shit, 4 losses. A loss in gold, 3 losses in a Nasdaq. This is usually why I trade a throwaway account on Fridays. I would have hated for this to have been like the stream account or a funded account or an account that I care about. And going into the weekend, having to find a way to try to get my money back if possible. And trying not to blow the damn thing. So this is the one of the main reasons why I don't trade on Fridays. Yeah. I mean, gain weight. I mean, you can't blame me, man. The Bears have at least one good day in the week. They got one good day. This is not going to make me want to still trade short. I will always, until Bears prove, I will always trade against bearish momentum. But this is what I did do differently today, which accounted for some of the losses that I took today. I did get aggressive. I did take very aggressive entries. Very aggressive. Entries that I probably shouldn't have taken. Well, I wouldn't have taken those entries in my funded or the stream account. But I did take very aggressive entries today. Yeah, gain weight. Yeah, I know. This is bulls not buying and taking profits, and yeah, I mean, it's pretty obvious that the Bears have really nothing to do with this, but Because if this was real bearish aggression, we would have already pulled back already, but we're not seeing that. Like I said, I think in the next hour or so, we'll start to see the grinding, the trending down. We'll start to see that. Oof. Yeah. Well, I wonder if the Nasdaq is going, you know what? I'm going to put back on my original entry at 27. So this would have been the entry that I was waiting for the entire session. This is going to be the last trade. If I get this filled, this will be the last trade. If not, but you're absolutely right, Gameway. Trading has definitely become more challenging. That is definitely for sure. It would be nice to get back to price action where we can trade on both sides of the chart without having to make life decisions. But so I should be in that gold short. We'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens here. Gold has definitely been on this run. We'll see if we get priced to kind of short here. And my stop is above all these highs, which that makes me feel better. It lets me know that if I get stopped out, then I'm wrong. It's 2 points above these highs, above that high. So, I mean, if I get stopped out, I don't need to revenge trade. I was just wrong. You know what, man? Okay. Yeah, I made a mistake. I made a mistake with gold today. I made a mistake with gold. I see what I did wrong with gold. I see what I did. I see what I did. We literally had price consolidate in this small little area before the breakout. That means it has plenty of engineered liquidity above these highs, and they're using these stops to push the market higher. I see what I did wrong there. And that's something that I've noticed with gold a lot too, is these little consolidation areas where the market is just ping-ponging in this small little range. Let me turn this off. All right, when the market ping-pongs in this small little range and then it sweeps up, sweeps down, we usually see a big move after that because obviously, like I said, the liquidity is engineered. So I need to pay attention to that the next time, or take note of that when I see a bunch of consolidation area. There's another good example: small consolidation area, sweep, and then big move higher, and it doesn't stop because it swept both sides of the market. This is another good example right here: small consolidation area, but it just used up all the stops above this area and these highs to push it higher, and it didn't stop. All right, I'll just take note of that for next time. I'll take note of that. You know, honestly, this will be my last trade for the session. This will be the last one. This is gonna be my last trade, and kind of want this to be a hoorah trade. We'll see. So this was the original entry that I was looking for this morning, and it never pulled back far enough for me to get into it because obviously it went higher. So I wonder if I just waited for this entry. I guess we will see what happens. Gangway, you know I gotta save her. You know I gotta save her. Yeah, I know. I see that. I see that. And I've already accepted the fact that gold is not shorting no time soon. I'm probably going to get stopped out. I've already accepted my stop out, Alfred. Oh, yeah, you know, you could just do that, you know. You could just do that. Yeah, gold is just going and going and going. So I'm longing the Nasdaq as it's trying to trend down, and I'm shorting gold as it's trying to trend up. It's like Crawford versus Canelo up in here. Hey, yo, I appreciate this. Yo, I appreciate the discount. I see that the haters will only say that you only saving 50 cents. I'm gonna say, you know, that was my boy. I mean, I could have gave him the full 50 cents. I might have needed that 50 cent. And now I can use that 50 cents elsewhere. I appreciate the discount. Yeah, well. Yeah, well, I mean, I definitely Okay, never mind. Okay. Oh. Y'all thought y'all boy Sherm was out? Nope. We back in it, baby. I'm definitely stopped out of that gold play though. Oh shit, I'm still in it. I thought I was out. I'm still in it, baby. Yo, hey man, dude, like I said, man, if someone can sell a $997 trendline course, then that means that we're on the wrong profession. And you know that a couple of them got sold. I mean, you know, a couple of them got sold. So I mean, it's.
All right, guys, we just wrapped up
Oh,
an
shit.
amazing event, the Trader in 3 Days Challenge.
I mean, I guess. Trading with titties always works, man. Trading with titties. Hmm. Oh, so everybody's short right now, huh? Everybody's trading with the trend now, huh? That's what we do? Trade with the direction and the momentum of the market instead of fighting against it? Hoping for that nice Nasdaq bounce. Where's Trump with Bitcoin news when you need him? Hey. Gold almost got me. She almost got me there. She almost got me. Well, all right. I mean, if it falls, okay. The mood dewies. Mood rags. Mood rags. He said you want the shorts to go to yesterday's 15-minute orb low. And that's all the way down there at so you're looking for the market to go to about to 635, huh? That's interesting. I mean, right now we're at yesterday's orb high. That's interesting. But it don't mean nothing. I'm probably gonna get stopped out of this thing. Unless the Nasdaq is gonna be nice to me here. Yeah. Kind of do expect it. I do expect it. We're we're less than 100 points away from the highs right now. I think we just touched 100 points from the highs. The market just moved 100 points. The high today is like what, 816. We bounced at around 808, so 108 points just now. So far, we've dropped 108 points so far. Okay. You looking for a quick bounce in this area? Or SQQQs, that's when the market goes down, right? You buy calls when the market goes down? Okay, yeah. Okay. Let's look at that, because maybe... I feel like I'm not taking in a lot of data, but I mean, apparently I must be. Oh, the Qs is about to tap into an order block down here, so getting a bunch of Qs getting swept, some puts getting swept. So. All right, I mean, I'm gonna leave this position on. I mean, whatever happens, happens. You know, this is a throwaway account, so I don't necessarily. I mean, I hate the fact that I took so many losing trades today. It kind of solidifies why, you know, I set my limits and wait for the market to come to me instead of being aggressive with it and trying to force my will upon the market. But yeah, I'll just take today as a learning lesson. So the next time you guys see me, I will be a year older. Tomorrow is my birthday tomorrow. And I'm going to do nothing. I'm gonna go to the gym and have a birthday run. I'm gonna just do everything that I normally do on Saturday and just put a birthday in front of it. I'm going to do a birthday back test tomorrow. I'm going to do a birthday run. I'm going to have a birthday lunch, and I'm going to have a birthday nap. I'm going to wake up and do some more birthday back testing, and I'm going to have a birthday dinner, and then I'm going to have a birthday rest. And then I'm going to do everything that I did on Saturday on Sunday, but without the birthday in it. So, oh yeah, that would be a great, or maybe I should create a birthday course. But I appreciate that, Investor Z and everybody. I appreciate that. I know my partner is gonna want to do all kind of stuff with me tomorrow, and I'm gonna be like, so you just gotta be prepared for that. But you know, honestly, I told somebody I was 50 one time, and they actually believed me. She was like, "Oh my God, you look so good to be 50." It's like, okay. Oh my God. No, I'm not 50. Honestly, I'm gonna be completely honest though. I don't keep my age at the top of mind. I've kind of forgotten how old I am, unless I obviously do the math, but it's not something that I tend to care about or try to remember. Because at the end of the day, I mean, ain't gonna change nothing. I don't want to necessarily feel old by saying, "Oh, I'm this age," and then, you know, your mind is like, "Oh, well, if you're this age, this is how you're supposed to feel and act," and blah, you know. Yeah, no. But hey, you don't crack, Alfred. Doesn't crack. But honestly, you know, I really believe that when someone looks older than they are or younger than, I guess, the quote unquote norm of how society expects people to look at a certain age, I really believe it has everything to do with stress. Because when we were growing up, shit, you looked old by 30 and you was damn near dead at 50. And then after 50 was supposed to be your soft years. But nowadays, it's like people are in their 60s still looking like they're in their 30s or 40s. And life has definitely gotten softer. People are making way more connections. They feel a lot less lonely because they have the internet. They don't feel as closed off. I believe that has a lot to do with why the body ages. Obviously, you know, I'm not, you know, haven't done these studies and I haven't tested my theories, but I can observe. And from what I observe is usually people that live very hard, stressful lives tend to look older than what they are. And people that live real soft lives that's not filled with responsibilities, they kind of look young. They kind of stay young. Yeah, so. Yeah, I also believe that as well, Alfred. I'm pretty sure that there's a lot of truth in that, a lot of science in that. So, but all right, guys, I'm out of time for this session. I got to hurry up and jump into this meeting. We'll definitely come back on Sunday night, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good weekend.